told to do. Excited as the world turns on me. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a rebel, yeah. Just not another damn copy of you. Would you dare to lose? Risk it all for the best.
Good morning, my friends. Welcome to my channel. I am Kay, your friend from Panda Riders. And it's morning. I just left my daughter to the school and I am going out. Guess what I'm using to make this footage? I'm using my GoPro Hero 7 Black because I just don't want to take my big camera. So let's do it. Let's do the recording and today's video with GoPro Hero 7 Black. Alright, so my setup. I will show you how I use this camera as my dash cam. So as you can see, this is the cage, okay, and there's a suction cup. So this is the cage of 5, okay, Hero 5 Black's cage. And right now I am parking at the side, so let's make the video.
You think you need control, only if you've seen the stars fall down. And come and fly with me. Do something crazy just to feel alive. Would you dare to lose?
Okay guys, now I'm already at this wet market. In Chinese we call it Chengdu, but I don't know how to translate that one into English. But anyway, so I'm already here and I'm going to change the battery because this battery is only 45% left and I don't want to, that juiced up, my battery while I'm recording. So I'm also going to change the cage because last time I was recording and that my sound was a little bit spooky. So I'm going to change. Might possible this one is because of that the cage. All right, anyway, I have no idea. So let's change the cage and change the battery and let's go inside. And as usual, I forgot to bring the extra battery. The battery I took has no battery. Anyway, so let's go and show you some B-rolls of this wet market.
Risk it all for the best. Never feeling perfect. As long as you can say worth it. They are doing booty. Don't get me wrong. They are doing booty. Another damn what you think.
Okay, I have only 45% battery, okay, and I have no idea so when this will but this footage will be over. Anyway, let's go on. Now this one is the 3rd floor, okay, so you can get the different kind of flowers, you can get the butter here, or you can get the bakery stuff or restaurant stuff. I will tell you, I will take you to the largest, yes, the largest shop here. Oh, here is the boss of this shop. 来，再问一遍。好，谢谢。好，谢谢你。好，老板，拜拜。拜拜。Okay, let's give you a tour of his operation.
As long as you can say worth it. Don't get me wrong. This thing. Another damn
this is everything. But I don't get my meat here. I get my because in the market she sells organic vegetables. I get there. Okay, I bought my sugar that was a short trip.
Not doing what I'm told to do. Excited as the world turns on me. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a rebel, yeah. Just not another damn copy of you.
Alright, I was just now talking about the car parking here. So there's a car parking everywhere. You know, if this, you know, the blue color uniform people are there, you can park. And then what they will do, you just know, you have seen the machine, they will put your license plate in that one and the time. Then when you are going to leave, you will pay the money and you can scan the code, and you don't need to pay the cash, and you can transfer the money from your phone. That is a very good thing. That's the best thing here in China. That's what I love here. You know, you don't need to have a cash. Like last time I saw the cash was like maybe 6 or 7 months ago. Yeah, one more thing is interesting thing. Last time we went to camping, so what had happened, I bought some honey and chicken. You remember that, right? So what had happened, that guy over there, you know, in a small shop, he told me that he will only take the cash, and I had no cash with me, you know, no cash at all. Anyway, so the Mamoon, he gave me some cash. Okay, oh my god, that is really a narrow. Let me get to the car. Oh my god. Okay, I am half in my car. Okay, now I'm fully in my car. So Mamoon had some cash, he gave me the cash. Oh god, yes. So now we are living in a totally cashless society. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put back my camera as a dash cam. All right, because I need to charge and enjoy the time lapse.
As long as you can say worth it. Start doing you. Don't get me wrong. Start doing you. Another damn witch. Start doing you. Don't get me wrong. As long as you can say worth it.
Alright guys, that was our little trip to this wet market here in Chengdu. I hope you liked the video. I'm going to finish this video here, but later on I have to go with Mamoon to the camera shop. So I don't know whether he can get up in time or I have a power, because I got up in the morning at 4 o'clock. So I started working, so he told me 9 or 10 o'clock. So it's already, let me see, what's the time now? Okay, it's already 8:30 now, and I have like more like 1.5 hours to get to him. So I have no idea whether he can get up or not. But anyway, if he gives me a phone call, I will go, and then this video is not going to get finished here. We will have some more footage from the other camera market, because I just have like less than 30% battery left. So I'm afraid, if I go to the meat and vegetable area, this battery is going to finish. So that's what I don't want. Anyway, so if we don't have any other footage, so let's finish it here. Or if you will see some other footage of the camera market, so enjoy the footages all together. I'll see you next time.
Not doing what I'm told to do.